What up, yo? Welcome back to an episode of Sweetie Man. Yo, we're in New Jersey right now, and we're about to get the day started. As you can see, this is the telly. Let me show you around real quick. So that's the telly, and this is so trippy, no cap. It's just trippy. So it's like a rainforest here. With that being said, Mom's gonna go out there and then go to New York, and yeah, let's see what the day has to start. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, X_SweetieMan. Alright, just stay tuned. Yo, here comes the baby. She's secured, nice and safe here. I was kind of leery when I parked here last night, but I'm glad that everything is okay. We're just gonna do like a walk around to make sure everything is fine. But we'll have like bare fingerprints here. But she's good though, and that's why I got the collusion, which I'm gonna be giving you guys more examples. You feel me? So y'all stay tuned. Food vlog. So she's been saying we need to come here to come eat some daily whatever. I haven't tried this yet, so let's see. I'm gonna have this here, grilled cheese and whatever, panini and pickles. What's your sandwich?
Mine has prosciutto. Italian something.
Alright, then I'm gonna have strawberry, and you have an avocado. What's this? Green machine. Anyways, and then cheesecake. I'm lactose intolerant, by the way, but I'm still gonna have it. It is what it is. And we are at, what's the name of this restaurant?
1 second.
It doesn't matter. Yeah, whatever that is. Majestic. Yeah, Manhattan.
That's your favorite.
Yo, so here comes the struggle. Like I was saying before,
You want me to take it?
when you have the McLaren, we had more room, and right now we ain't got no room. As y'all can see, too many stuff in this bitch. We can't. So what we're gonna do is,
What are you doing?
we're gonna put it in here, right there. We're gonna try to fit something in there, and then hopefully it works. You feel me? Alright, so the shopping spree is pretty much done. As you can see, we have there, and then we have this suitcase here. So we're gonna try to fit everything there in here. Hopefully we can fit as much as we can, because we're limited in terms of space in that car. So I'm sorry I couldn't, like, you know, vlog. I had so much stuff, you know, in my hands. Like, yo, honestly, I had so much stuff. If I had my camera plus my wallet, like, I'm gonna show you guys. So I have this big wallet here, and I can carry it with my phone in my pocket, which, yeah, I do have my phone. So I couldn't carry that and then still have all this stuff to carry. Plus, we had to get eat, so it's kind of hard to maneuver with all this stuff. So that's why, yeah, I couldn't film that much, but nonetheless, we're able to fit everything in, and then obviously we're back, yeah, safe. You feel me? So that being said, make sure you guys like, subscribe, you know. And day 2 tomorrow. I don't know yet what we're gonna be doing, but I'm gonna bring you guys along. It's gonna be shopping, but not as much as today. Today was really like going all out shopping, and yeah, that's what we got. I may unbox it, probably want to get back home. I may unbox it, and then yeah, show you guys what I got. You dig? That being said, like, subscribe for your month on Instagram, x_sweetyman. Alright.